Tasting time for the chorizo. So it's been 4 weeks in the fridge. So it's now nice and dry. I'm going to cook with it. I don't know if that's going to be part of this video, but me eating a bit of it is certainly going to be a bit of the video now. Because I think after 4 weeks it will be perfectly cured and therefore edible while uncooked. It certainly looks dry enough. I gave some to my sister and I gave some to a friend and they cooked with it and they said it was delicious, so we'll see if it kills me. No, that's good. That is good. I can't really. Let's find a bit with the wild garlic seeds in, because that's what I'm kind of quite curious about. So I'm going to cook with it. So I can see a wild garlic seed there. So I want a bit with wild garlic seed in. See how that goes, because the fennel's nice. I didn't put any garlic in, I just put the wild garlic seeds in, as you can see. But so leaving it on a larger grain. Is that a larger setting on the mincer? You get those nice bits of fat, nice bits of marlin. We'll cut into. I'm going to cut there, so you can see. But you don't want to. I always kind of think you don't want to mince it too fine, because you want that look of the chorizo that it's got the fat running through it. So this has definitely got some. This piece has definitely got some wild garlic seed in it. That really works. That's really nice. So if it's too late now, but next year when the wild garlic's starting to seed or go to seed, going along and collecting loads of wild garlic seed and using it in anything that's got garlic in is a good idea. I'll certainly be doing that next year, collecting more wild garlic seed, and we'll see what we can do with it. I've still got some from this year somewhere, but we'll put it in some other things and we'll see how we go. But that's delicious. And if you want to have a go at making any kind of salamis or anything like that, it's pretty straightforward. Is that? It's dead easy. You don't need that much skill, and you wouldn't have to have a proper machine to make the sausages. You could just use a piping bag and a nozzle and make them that way. But just a bit of fun. You can make your own chorizo or salamis or anything along that type of thing.